So in the question we have the thickness of the bimetallic strip. Thickness is nothing but the diameter. So diameter of the bimetallic strip is 2 centimeters. We'll convert it into 2 meter. We'll convert it into meters because the option is there, because the options are there in meters. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. We have the diameter. We have the coefficient of linear expansion of zinc and sulfur. So alpha, that is alpha. So alpha of zinc is equal to 32 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. Alpha of steel is equal to 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 inverse of degree Celsius. And the temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. So we need to find the radius or the center of curvature of the strip. So we know the formula. Radius is equal to diameter by alpha of zinc minus alpha of sulfur into temperature. Diameter is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters by 32 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 19 minus 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6. This whole multiplied by 50 degrees. Temperature is 50. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 by, we'll take 10 to the power of minus 6 common. So we'll be left with 32 minus 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into 50. So 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 6, if it goes up, it will become 10 to the power of plus 6 by 32 minus 19 is 13 into 50. So it is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of plus 4, because 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of plus 6 by 13 into 50. So 2 ones, 2 25s. So it's 10 to the power of 4, that is 10,000 by 13 into 25. 25 ones, 25s, 4 hundreds. So 400 by 13. Which is equal to 30.769, which is approximately equal to 30.77 meters. I'll write the answer over here. 30.77 meters. So the option is A.